Hello everybody. Today we are going to do the recipe for donuts and I'm going to show you the ingredients we need for this one. We need 750 milliliters of oil, 20 grams of yeast, 500 grams of flour, 140 grams of sugar, 5 grams of extract of vanilla, 150 to 200 milliliters of warm milk, 125 grams of egg, and finally 10 grams of sugar. Okay, the first step we are going to do is to activate our yeast. As we have done in other recipes, we are going to add our, our yeast and a little bit of sugar. Okay, now the difference is that we are going to use milk instead of water as in the other recipes. We're going to mix very well until, as we know, we eliminate all the lumps. Okay, we are going to mix and mix and mix. Okay, once we don't have any more lumps, we are going to leave the yeast to rest for about 20 minutes. 10 minutes, sorry. Okay, now that our yeast is activated and it got a consistency, we're going to bring our flour and our ingredients. First our flour, okay? We're going to put it in our over the table. And we are gonna make a hole in the middle. We need this form because we are going to add the rest of our ingredients in it, and we have to avoid it spread all the table, so we don't want to make a mess. Okay, we are going to add the salt around this. We don't want to mix the salt with the rest of the ingredients yet, so that's the why we have our salt around of the form. We're going to add the eggs. We're going to add our yeast. The rest of the sugar. And the extract of milk of vanilla. We are going to incorporate all the ingredients. We have to move it slow, to avoid a mess in our table. Okay. Okay, once our ingredients are very well mixed in our dough, so as you can see, our dough is really sticky. We are going to add our butter that I forgot to mention in the mise en place, but it's here. So we are going to add our butter to our dough, and we are going to mix very well these two ingredients, the dough and the butter. Okay, our butter is already mixed with our dough. As you can see, it is a little bit thicker than before. But now we are going to foil and break the dough. This is a step we need to activate our gluten in our dough. Okay, so we have to just fold the dough, we take it and break. So we fold, we take it and break. Okay, we are going to do this several times, as much as possible, until we get a different consistency in our dough, a harder consistency. We have to fold and break the dough several times. Once our dough has got the desired consistency, we are going to add a little bit of oil in a bowl. And we are going to spread all the oil in the bowl. Okay, and we are going to put our dough in the bowl to be ready for the first fermentation. Okay, we can cover it with a cloth. As you know, our cloth has to be wet for our fermentation. Then we have to cover very well our bowl, and we are going to wait about 3 minutes 45 for the fermentation of our dough. Okay, our fermentation time has transcorred, and as you can see, it has a higher volume than before. Now we are going to sprinkle our table with a little bit of flour. Just a little sprinkle, we don't need a lot. tray where we are going to collocate our donuts when they will be ready for the second fermentation. Now we are going to extend our dough with a roll pin. As I don't have, I'm gonna use a glass. So the point is to extend our dough, and it has a thin form. So we have to extend it very well. Don't worry if you don't have a regular figure like a rectangle or a circle. The main point here is to extend the dough and it gets a form of about 1 centimeter. Okay, once your dough has been extended, we are going to cut our dough and we are going to put it in our tray for the fermentation. In this case, as I don't have quarters, I'm gonna use this one and this cup, okay? Okay, here we have our donuts ready for the second fermentation and getting ready for the frying. Okay, once our donuts has got a little bit of volume, they are ready for the frying. Now our donuts are getting frying, and just we have to wait few minutes until they get like a gold color little toast, and they are going to be ready. Okay, now that our donuts are already fried, we are going to sprinkle in just regular sugar for the final result. Okay, just we have to take it like this, and to cover it very well with sugar. Okay, here we got one. And here we got the other. So as you see, it gets a very nice color. The form is good, and you can add whatever you want on top. So you can add sugar and cinnamon, you can add the icing, so whatever you want. I decide just to add sugar, and I hope you like. See you next time.